we're almost done setting up. I wanted to do a quick video and teach you guys, like, I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but it's in my head, like the do's and don'ts of doing pop-ups, or I don't know the appropriate name to say it. Make a personal goal for yourself. What? Key, make a personal. Oh, you moved the. Okay. You said what?
You want that?
Yeah, some more color. Okay, this is a lot going on. Maybe I should do a voiceover.
No, keep going.
Okay, so the first thing, like I said, make a personal goal for yourself, and if you don't make it, it's fine. It's okay, because some of these events we don't make a dime. I'm being honest, being very transparent, and sometimes we just break even, and that's never the goal. But keep that in the back of your mind, and don't think you're gonna sell out when you're doing pop-ups. When we first doing pop-ups, when we started, we thought we was gonna just sell out.
Don't give up.
There you go, that's all mom. Don't give up. So that being said, bring enough inventory to meet that goal. And especially if you're selling clothes, it is difficult to stay under budget. You guys see me when I'm in fashion district shopping, I'm damn near buying everything for me. Okay, so the next thing, make sure you have all your equipment, your setup. Of course, mannequins if you're selling clothes. I can have a link on everything that you see everything you see. I'll have a link on where you can purchase one from and all that. Mannequins sell clothes. I feel like it sells. Yeah, like we get sales faster with mannequins. And then,
can I say something?
Go for it.
Please don't overshop. We made that mistake.
And she never
got that. I didn't listen to her.
But yeah,
don't overshop.
Stick to a budget. Also, when you're doing pop-ups, depending on the location, so they said
it's cute. I'm about to get this. I got no here.
You don't have to do it.
I got no stomach, but I'm gonna.
We're gonna cover it like that.
See, the mannequin sell. The mannequin sells. That just proves my point.
She ain't gonna let us live that one down, guys.
Right.
That's her idea.
The next tip. What's another good tip? Or. Oh, what I was saying is, see, we're right by the entrance. We just have to try to use this to our best advantage. I want everything to be facing the entrance. That's why I tilted our mannequin. So when people walk like, oh, that's cute, and they can, you know, they can try to, well, they can remember us when they're walking around.
Yeah, first impression.
Right, so we need to grab. I'm gonna show you guys our setup in a minute. Long story short is,
have fun.
Right. If you're doing pop-ups, and also, I say this all the time, like, me and my mom, we don't make that much money online, but when we do pop-ups, it helps us. So, I suggest everyone try to do a pop-up as well.
Meet everybody and pass out your cards.
Yes, pass out flyers. You need to be nice, be approachable. Don't be rude. Don't be rude to your fellow vendors that are around you as well. You never know. Alright. So that is, yes, that's it. I'm gonna have to do a part 2 because of course I don't have a script. Every time I do these videos I don't have a script, but we make the best of it. I'm doing it, me and mom are doing the pop. Wait, hold on. Make sure you subscribe. If you don't know, there we go. If you're new to my page, me and my mom own multiple businesses together. We're on the marketplace. We do pop-ups weekly. I'm in grad school, so I'm always busy, and I don't niche down. I'll show you guys everything about the ins and outs of being an entrepreneur, having a business, and going to school. So yeah.